Hey y'all, it's Adam from hookandclaw.com. Today I'm going to answer your question, what is taxidermy? Taxidermy is the replication and preservation of your trophy game. I just had a buddy recently ask me all the process of taxidermy, and he really didn't have a clue, and I'm just going to straighten it out for him. Basically, there's two types of taxidermy for your fish, what we're going to plan on doing. You can do a replica, or you can do a skin mount. And the difference is a replica is a artificial fish. Basically, you paint it to make it look real. And a skin mount is an actual fish skin over top of mannequin. Totally two different processes, and both unique, both widely used. And in future videos, we're going to show you how to do them. And I really appreciate for this video. And if you don't mind, hit the like and subscribe button, and go ahead and hit the notification button for us. And from Adam, hookandclaw.com, I appreciate it. God bless.